Okay, so today we're going to crack straight into it and we're going to look at transactions. So there's two ways that you'll put transactions into Homebank. The first one is to do them manually, and I'll show you how to do that today. And the second one is where you import your transactions out of your bank account. So that we'll do in the next session. That one will be slightly longer than 5 minutes, I have to say, but we'll show you how to do a manual transaction today. So as we can see, we've got our different accounts here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the account you want the transaction to go into. So just make sure you always choose the correct account. Just double check your account. Otherwise, you're going to have to undo all of your hard work, and you don't want to do that. So we're up in our everyday account and we want to create a transaction. So we just go to the menu at the top, transaction, add. And there you can see it comes up with the date. So let's say Abby and Sam have just gone grocery shopping and they'd like to capture that straight away, and they don't want to wait to have to pull it down from their bank statement. So let's say they've spent $150 at the grocery shop at Pack and Save, and so you put it in as a negative number because it's an expense. It's coming out of their everyday account, and let's say it is Pack and Save, and as soon as you click enter, it will automatically remember Pack and Save for you as a payee. So that's helpful. And you just start typing groceries. And there you go add, or you can go add and keep. If we go add and keep, then we've got all that information. And you can amend it if you want, or you can do another one exactly the same, or just make it just slightly different. Maybe they also spent, let's say, another $50 at Countdown because they couldn't quite get everything they wanted at Pack and Save, and so you can go add. And when you go close, you've got both of your new transactions for the 16th of the month, and you've got groceries, and you've got the expense there. Now you can sort these in different ways as well. If you sort on the date, then you will keep your running balance to the right. If you start sorting according to different things, your running balance will go, obviously because the running balance depends on it being in date order of some description. But you can click again on date and get your running balance back again. So you can also click on payee and it will group everything together on category, and you can click on the actual expense. And these are very useful when it comes to reconciling, because if you don't quite match with your numbers, you can see where you might have doubled up with the transaction. But we'll show you that when we do some stuff on reconciling and troubleshooting of that. So for now, we want it in date order. We've got those two, and we'll now just wait and we'll finish it off there just to keep it to our 5 minutes. But what we'll do is I'll show you next time on how to import information out of your bank statements in your online banking and then bring it in and categorize it in Homebank. So have a go at that, and we'll catch you back next time.